We are Team SOS, Sustainable Ocean Solutions. Over 40 million people depend on the pristine beaches of the Caribbean and coastal ecosystems. To a similar extent, over 40 million tourists travel to the Caribbean year-long. That makes the Caribbean one of the most dependent regions on tourism alone. Climate change is having irreversible effects globally. In the Caribbean, the problems have been generated through sargassum seaweed invasions. Sargassum not only affects the marine ecosystem and human health, but also tourism. It has been determined that tourism in some of the key locations have dropped between 7 to 35% due to sargassum alone. At SOS, we have developed a hardware which was developed at the MIT Mechanical Engineering Department to harvest the seaweed before it makes landfall. We use existing infrastructure of the artisanal vessels, which allow us not only to avoid all the issues that sargassum generate, but also harvest the seaweed while fresh and sand-free so that we can later use it as raw material. The circularity and the waste management then comes in with now our focus to develop a biostimulant out of sargassum. This biostimulant will enhance crop yield, make plants more resilient to climate change, and also reduce the water consumption. The biostimulant market represents an opportunity of almost $3 billion today. More importantly, we have been deploying a global environmental and social impact. First, through the environmental sanitation, and then by empowering and educating the coastal communities, the fishermen. We have empowered more than 70 fishermen Caribbean-wide in the 3 countries that we have operation thus far, and we employ more than 30. With that said, we are focused and working to generate more than 30 formal employments. Putting everything in context, we have 3 different areas. First, the problem in the service to the private sector, then the biostimulant, and third, potential carbon credits. Our team is committed to delivering and scaling the solutions Caribbean-wide. Because of that, we have also been developing and leading an ecosystem of change makers. We need your support. Ideas will be very handy for us to keep scaling our work and our impact in the region.